Oh, Jerry and the peanut butter, destined for fight. The unheard hordes did take flight. To Uranus they'd fleet in the Cadillac red, defying all the odds on the deck. On the crimson surface of Uranus they stood, Jerry and the peanut butter, a brotherhood. With the courage in their hearts, they faced the gruesome tide, fighting off the zombies with their strength and their pride.
You up for this? Yeah. It's been a long time for this. 2 years in the making. Here we go. They landed on Uranus, a world unknown. In the distant realm, a new home they'd own. But the zombies followed, never giving in. Time to begin!
Oh, Jerry and the peanut butter, destined for the fight. On death board, the dead flight.
What is it? Slow?
And instead, flee in the Cadillac red, defying all odds. They
What?
rise above the dead.
Okay. Zombies rose from the depths, seeking flesh to devour. Jimmy and peanut butter had to find a higher par. In their crimson V9, 59 Cadillac. Bro, it was crimson red, and it also had free wheels because one of them was missing because he went on the motorway and he went too quick and the lug nuts came off and he, like, the peanut butter baby sat in the boot and then it made the flipping suspension blow up into pieces.
The steering went bang! He couldn't keep the car on the roads. He ended up doing a big fat crap because he couldn't keep the baby in top. Woo! Double top.
Here we go.
1, 2, buckle my shirt!
3, 4, buckle some more.
5, 6, fucking cake!
Fire, bro.